Hi everybody, welcome back. Marybeth Angelelli here on this wonderful Friday, the 6th of September. And whether you know it or not, we are now in the busy season, and I am super excited to share with you what's happening. Lots of great things are indeed happening, especially in the direct mail order marketing niche and industry, okay, which I have been part of now on a full-time basis for over 5 years. I've been doing direct mail marketing since 2007, integrating it with some of my high ticket opportunities, okay? So with that being said, this past week I uploaded 3 step-by-step training videos where I break everything down, what I do, including the resources that I have been utilizing with great success, specifically in the direct mail order marketing niche in 2019, that you can take, run with, and utilize for any direct mail order marketing business with great results to build and succeed with. So it doesn't matter what opportunity you're in, as there are many, many direct mail order opportunities that will continue and have been popping up this year. I have never seen direct mail order as strong as it has been in 2019. It's trending, and so many people are getting involved simply because they have a need. And direct mail order fills that need, provides the solution to be able to work from the comfort of your home, in your spare time, to generate extra additional cash flow, whether you want to supplement your current situation or if you elect to eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. You can do it with a direct mail order opportunity, a high ticket opportunity, and many of these have various levels. My recommendation is just get started, get in where you fit in. You can always move up and you can always upgrade. So without further ado, I want to first off, I'm going to open these up, but I want you to go to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you like the content. You'll be updated and notified as I release more videos, more training videos, but I released 3 of them just a couple of days ago. You can search them out and find them under How to Succeed with Direct Mail Order Marketing in 2019, or How to Have Success with Direct Mail Order Marketing in 2019. There's part 1, part 2, and part 3. There's a total of 3 videos, okay? And I go into in-depth detail where I reveal my process, my procedure, and all of my resources and what I've been utilizing to largely dominate in the direct mail order space for over 5 years, okay? So today went out to my mailbox. It's always exciting when the mail comes, when you're in a direct mail order opportunity, because you never know what to expect, and it's always fun when you expect the unexpected. So I had 2 of these today. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. I have a couple new team members that I'd like to welcome to the team. Believe these are for the Millionaire Mailer. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to use some scissors here just to play it safe so I don't have any unfortunates. So it's always easy to open these up on the side. So there's something in this one here. Now let's see what we have today. Okay, we have the $200 a day cash machine. This is an awesome little flyer inside of the Millionaire Mailer portfolio of flyers. And this looks like it is from Sabine. So thank you so much. Welcome to the team. And money order received. So thank you very much. This is a wonderful flyer. This one's been out now for a couple of years. Just to let you know, I've been part of the Millionaire Mailer now for over 4 years, and it just continues to get bigger and better, you know, over time. It's absolutely booming right now. We had an awesome, amazing conference call. We have those every single Tuesday. If you go to my website, retirewithmarybeth.com, here's number 2 I'm going to open up. And you go to my website, retirewithmarybeth.com, go inside, enter your email information, put good information so you can get inside. Scroll all the way down. You'll see the number to the live call every Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern, like clockwork. We host these wonderful calls. Tune in, listen to the replay. Below the live number is the replay number, so you can access the replay any time of the day or night. Seriously looking at this, folks, hear the excitement, hear the amazing leadership, hear the amazing opportunity for yourself, either live in the moment or through the replay, which is the next best thing. So we have the Millionaire Mailer 4, and I would like to welcome Clarence to Millionaire Mailer 4. Clarence is entering the Millionaire Mailer today at level 4, which is the $250 level. He sent me back his flyer with his information at the bottom, accompanied by $250. There you go, and thank you so much. Welcome both to the Millionaire Mailer team, to my team, Clarence, and also Sabine. So with the Millionaire Mailer, that's $270 on this wonderful September day, the 6th of September 2019, and things are just getting kicked off. The end of summer, folks, has passed us by, slipped past. I don't know where the summer went. It just absolutely flew. But folks, you are definitely here right now. You're in the right place at the right time. Take comfort in that. Confidence, move forward, take a leap of faith, take a close look at my website, and just make a conscious decision to get started. If you're looking for something that works, folks, Millionaire Mailer has withstood the test of time. It has an amazing, incredible, proven track record and history in the direct mail order space. It's been going strong now for 8 years, so I think that speaks volume. It's going absolutely nowhere. Millionaire Mailer is here to stay, and the best is yet to come. We have September, we have October, we have November, we have December. We come back, we come into a brand new year. We ring in 2020. We have tax season. We have January, February, March, and April. 8 super busy, super strong months to reap the rewards and benefits of direct mail order marketing with the Millionaire Mailer. And you can work this program online and or offline. I elected, when I joined back in June of 2015, to combine the best of both worlds. I have an amazing marketing system, folks, complete with cover letter, funnel, professional sales video, email follow-up series, postcards, so you can mix it up. You can integrate your letters with your postcards. You can mail out either or. I will be doing both and having lots of fun and helping a lot of people along the way as they get started and continue to get started with the Millionaire Mailer, like these 2 new team members today that I want to continue to welcome here on this special video. So thank you so much. If you have any questions whatsoever, text or call me. Best way to reach me, 330-787-1795, retirewithmarybeth.com/millionaire-mailer. That link will be in the description below. That's my direct link to my sales page. So you can watch the video, hear real people sharing real results, very amazing. Scroll on down, read all the information. All of my flyers are uploaded there. Click the red level button to the one that best fits you, and let's just get you started, folks. Get in where you fit in. There's never been a better time to get started in direct mail order. Millionaire Mailer is absolutely booming, folks. This is the season, folks. So 'tis the season for the best in mail order profits. You can be going out to your mailbox too, folks, 6 days a week and opening it up to these wonderful surprises, something that truly can help you to get from where you are right now to go to where you want to go, and truly help you to earn extra income, increase your cash flow, improve your situation, improve your lifestyle, and help you personally, financially, and also help your family. The holidays are coming, folks. That's why there's a huge influx of people, and that's why this industry now is booming, because